welcome to How Logical, the world of tutorials where complexity meets technique. You're watching BIGO Live Series Part 19. In this video, I will show you how to find someone on BIGO Live application. You need to know the username or BIGO ID of that particular person if you want to find someone on BIGO Live. For that, open your BIGO Live application. In this homepage, you will see search icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that and it will guide you to this page. Here, click on that search bar to enter the name. If you have BIGO ID of that person, enter it here and search it. You can easily find that person through BIGO ID. As you can see here, the first picture is of that person whom you are searching through their BIGO ID. Once you find it, click on them. You will reach to their profile. Below you will see follow button there. Tap on it. Now, if you don't know the BIGO ID of the person, then just enter the username of the person. You will find various portions of that username. Find that particular person. Once you find that person, click on that profile picture. You will reach to their profile here. Below you will see follow button here. Click on that so that you can follow them. So this is how you find someone on BIGO Live application. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications for more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.